If you're into the pixelated lifestyle, then there is no better lighting system out there than the Yeelight Cube system. Especially if you stack or combine a few of them together, you will get amazing results. With these you can create a truly unique gaming setup or ambience lighting, or also a practical lighting for videos, and all of that with a nice retro look. But inside of these cubes is of course the newest tech, bleeding edge addressable RGB LED tech in here. So let's test them and let's see what we can create with all these different lighting cubes. And best of all, it is a modular system and it's also smart home ready straight out of the box. We got the new drip from Yeelight. As you can see, all in all 12 cubes with different functionalities that you can stack and rotate as you wish. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. As you can see, we have quite the assortment right here. There are essentially 3 types, so I will unbox one of each type. But first of all, let's remove all the wraps. So there we go. And to speed up the process, let's see if we can go for 3 at the same time for all 3 types. So we have the front sides, then right here the back. The sides are just blank. Same goes for the other sides. We have this on top, so check it out right here. And on the bottom, we just have the brand logo. Let's go. So the big one, it will just slide out and reveal this nice box. And for these two, you can open it right here. I was wrong about the side classifications. This is actually not the bottom, this is the front side basically. So yeah, this will just open up like that. And in here we have the cubes and also the paperwork. Looks like that, and the cube, just like that. Okay, so we have the spotlight and the matrix, and lastly of course the panel. There we have it. Same size, but in here we have all the accessories and the other parts that we need. And lastly, we also have this box. In here we have the power brick and the adapters and also the paperwork. So let's unbox the rest and then we will get straight to the accessories and the manuals. Quite a lot of cubes, wow. So the smaller boxes are the extension modules, the extension lights, and the bigger ones are the main units. And with each of these, you will get the power brick LED driver with the plug and also with a multi-adapter, pretty awesome. Snaps in place like that. With these you will also get a magnetic base. This system is so genius, I like it. Back here you power it, bottom, and since these are literally rings, you can turn it as you wish and it's magnetic, and there's also a button. So that makes all of these other cubes accessories to the main unit as well. So as I said, we have the spotlight and the matrix. Can we see it? Not really. And as you can see, they all look the same. Same system, same modularity. You can actually pivot this light a bit. Pretty cool. And lastly, we have the paperwork. So this one for the main unit, multi-language of course. We will also need the app. With the button we can switch through the scenes. Here we have all the specs and there we have it. And here we have the manual for the lamp extension. All these are the same of course, we already know that. And here we have the specs of the extension modules. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. Right, so the main module has this on top, this rubber cover. This is for the top cube, nice touch. Solid build quality, nice injection molded parts. And let's get rid of this one as well. Looks like a screen, looks amazing. Again, this can be moved and the contact area is genius. And here we have a matrix cube. Slightly visible, the dots, but yeah, we need to test it. But first, let's take a close look. There is not much to add, so the 3 sides of the cube are just blank, matte black. As we saw, we have all the specs and details on the top, as well as the 4 contacts for the addressable RGB LEDs, of course. Addressable, always 4 contacts. On the other side, we have the female version of that, which are basically 4 rings. Well, a dot and 3 rings, which is just genius. You can turn them as you wish and you will always have contact. So yeah, not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test them. So let's grab the base, the brain of the system. Let's power it up, just like that. And now we can already insert the first cube and check this out. Beautiful. Let me put this One first, oh, they react instantly. Check this out. Set it up. Boom. Instant action. Spotlight and the panel on top. And when it gets to the app, the publisher is Yeelight, of course, and there are 4 apps. We need the Yeelight Station app, so let's open it up. Hello there, let's do it. Agree, give it all the permissions. Let's do it. And now let's sign up, register. So here we go. This is the home tab. This is the community tab right here. Really cool, check this out. There you can see all the awesome setups that the community has created with them. Love it. And then we have the personal tab right here. So first of all, let's add a device. QR code is right here on the base. Allow that. Okay, now we're talking. Smart home ready straight out of the box. Google Home, why not? Meanwhile, let's also set up the second base. So, device connected, very nice. Living room, let's go. So, all right, there we have the second base. Matrix. Back to the app though. So, let's see. Let's put it back together. Boom. Let's call it tower left. Okay, done. We have the bonfire. Let's see if it will register. Rainbow, waves, aurora, dreamer, and a waterfall, my favorite. Oh my goodness, there are so many. Are you kidding me? Pinball. I love it. Yo. Okay, but before we start to play around, mess around, let me also add the second one. What have I done? This is actually tower left. Now it's tower left. For real. Tower right. Boom. So now we have 2 of them. We can turn them on and off. Oh, it's instant. Instant transmission. And I want to try this. Just matrix. Okay, so let's see. Okay, update the firmware. Let's do it right now. That's always important, of course. And meanwhile, I will help the mood a bit. This is looking so nice. Okay, that's done. So let's do the other one as well. This is looking so nice. I love it. So on the right one, we have, wow, we can also splice the device. Oh my goodness. We have the starry sky, we have the spectrum, we have the waves, the rainbow, the waterfall, aurora, bonfire, pinballs, oh that's funny, meteor, tide, building block, oh it's like Tetris, that's cool, and also hacking. Alright, when it gets to device splicing, we of course need to do it with this one, with the left one. So we have the matrix, spot, and that. There we go, up to 6 pieces, done. So we can set intensity in percentage, the brightness actually. There we have one of these special effects, pixel graffiti. Oh, nice. Yellow and color grabber, color wheel. That is so cool. So the panels, they have the same matrix, but they have a diffusion layer on top. Wow, this X is looking really cool. Oops. Sick. Oh, these are super bright. Oh my goodness. Dynamic effects. Transition, breathe, accumulation. Oh, look at that. There are endless possibilities basically. That is crazy. And you can save it as a preset. Oh, that's why graffiti, because you can paint it as you wish. It's pretty cool. And there's also the clock mode, the other special mode. So we need this one for the right one, of course. Boom, 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 boom. So let's go for the clock mode. We can set the time, the date. Well, let's pick this one for best visibility, time and date. Now we'll switch around, yes. That is looking amazing. Pretty dope. Okay, back to the left tower. Whoops, my bad. Okay, we have the waves, spectrum, starry sky. Ah, we can also modify the speed of the transitions and also the directions. Right here, for example. Let's check this one. Ah, nice. Dope. Fast. This is so cool. Yeah, endless possibilities. And the last special effect would be the music flow. Okay, both. And let's go. Bop. So it's now reacting to the microphone, to my voice basically. So a quiet test right there, quiet test right there. And a loud test. So the sensitivity down here. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Let's go. Let's go. So cool. So we have an equalizer going as well. And we can also tranquil. Blossom, spectrum. Okay, breathing, blossom, spectrum. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow, that is awesome. convergence. Okay, so wow, that is crazy. So again, we also have the community tab with crazy setups. Look at that, that is awesome. Fits perfectly. And the personal tab where you can change your personal data, basically. Nice. That is amazing. Massive thumbs up from my side. This is creative freedom to the max. I love it. So to recap, you have 3 different types of cubes: the spotlights, the panels, and the matrix cubes. And yeah, you can stack them like Lego bricks. You have tons and tons of possibilities how to customize the lighting, from presets to customizable features like the graffiti mode and the clock, all the way to complete DIY lighting effects. Then you also have the music flow feature. You can use this even as an equalizer, which is completely mind-blowing. It's awesome. And as you saw, you can also hook it up to Google Home, control it over your smart home app for all apps that are Metro compatible, so pretty much all of them: Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Samsung Smart Things, you name it. And also there is the community, which is always powerful. As you saw, there are tons of posts, tons of creative ideas, tons of different setups. As you saw, the creative possibilities with these are basically endless. You can stack them in any order and you can also rotate them. It doesn't matter. So you can make them face upwards as well, just like that, or maybe make them face against the wall. Endless possibilities. Yeah, and when you're done with the structural design, then it's all about spicing it up with the different colors. And as you saw, there are tons of different possibilities, tons of different presets in the Yeelight app, and you can even create super sophisticated DIY effects. So aside from looking amazing, they also offer practical features too. And best of all, these can be used in an interactive fashion too. For example, with the music flow mode, or also with the game sync and play mode, color play mode to be specific. And what's more, they're smart home compatible straight out of the box. Awesome retro look, bleeding edge tech, and endless combination possibilities. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing TechMagnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.